Please read this disclaimer carefully before proceeding further. Welcome traders to another video on VATA Trend Algo performance. In this video series we look at how VATA Trend Algo indicator could have helped you in taking precise and accurate entries in the market. Now the way it works is that you need to come up with some kind of analysis, so it is helpful for those kind of traders who either are looking for a precise entry in the market based on their analysis, or they're following somebody and they have the analysis ready. Now they want basically to simplify their decision process on when to enter the market. And the second kind of traders can be there who are just looking for entry signals. Now having said that, we are actually also working on a new version of VATA Trend Algo indicator, which is going to tell you what the stop loss level is going to be, because a lot of you have actually asked us for stop loss levels on the VATA Trend Algo indicator, and so far the feedback on the accuracy of this has been absolutely fascinating. So we have decided to actually work on this thing to provide you that stop loss level as well. Now in a later version we'll also be looking at showing you the profit levels targets. That's going to be little help, because it is going to show you this is approximately level, it's approximately where you should be taking your profits on that position. And we are also working on a dashboard now, which is going to be absolutely game changing in terms of use of VATA, because at the moment what you need to do is, if let's say you want to use VATA Trend Algo on Forex pairs, 5-6 Forex pairs maybe, and then you have gold or some other commodity pair, then you have stocks, you might have something else depending on what is being supported by your broker on your MT4 platform. But now you'll have to keep the charts open and run the VATA Trend Algo indicator on all those charts to get the signals. Now having a dashboard is going to make that easy. Dashboard will run on just one chart, and it will monitor all those pairs and commodities and indices for you, and it will send out signals to you when the conditions, when there are right conditions for you to actually take the trade. Now once it has actually given you signals, then you need to obviously open the chart, look at it for yourself, see whether it is actually fine to take a trade there or not, whether it actually follows your analysis or plan, and if it does, then it is going to be helpful to you. So that's what we are working on, and all of these updates are going to be available to all of the subscribers of VATA Trend Algo indicator. Now these are not classified as new products or anything, so these are going to be available very shortly to all VATA Trend Algo indicator subscribers. So that's what we are working on at the moment. Let's move on to our performance. Okay, so if you have not been following my analysis on TradingView, I'm available here as Vikinsa. You can also follow me on YouTube. We are as Vikinsa. You can Google Vikinsa and you'll be able to find all the places where we publish our posts. So let's start with gold. Gold was absolutely brilliant. So we were able to identify this particular zone, and then we were able to take an entry at 1771 and then 1777. I actually used and I reported an entry here on M15 15-minute chart using VATA Trend Algo. I posted that in the Telegram group as well, so it was a very good entry based on this analysis. So let's look at gold, how it is doing. So I'm looking at gold right now, and this is H4 chart. So if you are swing trader, then you could have actually taken this signal, because the market trend changed from green to red here, and then there was an arrow which was exactly right there. This was a very good place for you to take the trade. Now if you wanted, you could have actually placed your stop loss somewhere here, because based on your analysis. Now as I mentioned that in the new version we will give you some kind of indication that this should be your stop loss level, but it may also come from your own analysis or your own strategy. Now if you had entered around here, you could have exited and taken your profits around the level which is defined by your analysis. If you remember, in my analysis in my Telegram group, I mentioned that I was going to take first profit around 38.2 Fibonacci level, which was at 1749 right there. So I entered here and then exited there. I have another position running from 1777, right? So this is how I did. I entered. If you had entered here, you could have actually made this much money, which is 887 points on gold, and you would have exited because the color of trend has changed from red to green. So that's like, an approximate level where you should have where you should have exited your position. Now let me actually show you where I took my 15-minute entry as well. So I've just marked that, and let's see how that looks. This was the 15-minute entry that I took. As you can see, if I draw a vertical line, the color of the trend changed from green to red, and this was the arrow. I took that shot from there and I rode it all the way to this place, and this is how I traded. So instead of 187, my profit target was near about 197 points on gold, and I still have one position left. If you wanted, you could have actually made money on this explosive move, which actually happened on the Friday afternoon. And the way you could have done it is, color of the trend has changed from red to green, and then you had an indication. Now this is obviously a little delayed because it needs to fulfill all the conditions on the market. There is an intelligent algorithm behind this, and that's looking for some conditions. So this one is little late, and I would have actually entered around here on the completion of this candle. But if you want to play safe, you would have actually entered here, and you could have played all the way to this level. So if I draw a vertical line on the color change right there, and that is going to be approximate like this, right? So you could have actually entered here and gone to the profit level, which is 118 points when the color of this changed. So this is how you could have actually played it on the lower time frame. Now, as I mentioned before, if there are too many arrows around the same region, that means it is in consolidation, then it is not safe to trade. However, if you are like, scalper or somebody, then you could have actually traded some of these very nicely, depending on the color change, depending on your strategy as well. You could have actually used the VATA to support your strategy. For example, here the color changed and there was an arrow, so that means you could have easily made like 20 points right there, or maybe even more, because when this color was changing right there, so you could have actually made near about 20 points or so. So that's how you could have used in scalping. But I mainly use personally for swing trading, and I use it on 4-hour or 1 hour. Sometimes, as I said, I go to M15 15-minute chart and look at VATA as well. So that was gold, and let's look at what's the next one? Next one is S&P 500. So S&P 500, we were saying that market was supposed to come to this particular zone and fall back down, and we could have actually profited massively on S&P 500. So let me bring in S&P 500. This is S&P 500, and let's go to daily time frame. That was the signal. If you are actually trading on daily time frame, then obviously you need to hold that position for a longer period of time. However, if you are swing trading, then you're probably taking your positions on H4, and that's where you could have actually made money. So here, if you had traded this H4 signal, I know this is actually a delayed one, and that is the main thing. Like, it depends on what kind of trader you are and what kind of trading you're trying to do. If you're swing trading, obviously it is going to you'll have to hold that position for a longer period of time. However, if you had taken this trade, then you would have made near about 363 points here. And if you had taken it on H1, this was the right one signal, because the market changed the color from green to red, and this was the signal, and this was the analysis behind that. Okay, let's move on to US 30. If we can see that on US 30 also we had similar kind of strategy. So we were waiting for market to come into this particular zone and then fall back down. So we were waiting for an entry in around here at 26300. 26300. Okay, let's bring in US 30, and we are looking for 26300. So that's the place we were looking for an entry. And if I go to the 1 hour time frame, that was our signal to short this. Why? Because the trend was changed and we could see that market was actually giving us a very good signal, and we could have actually made these many points, which is 107 points. Actually, how many points are there? This is from 26,300 to 25,000, so near about 1,300 points or so. So that many points we could have actually taken from that. Now if you wanted better accuracy, you could have gone to 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and this is how it is. Now you need to have little sense of the technical analysis information as well. You see the market structure is like this. It fell back down, created a new lower highs, and then another one. So this is the start of bearish trend, and this is the breakout candle, because it broke through this entire structure right there. This entire structure was broken by this. So ideally this was the best signal if you know how to play, if you know how to read charts using little bit of technical analysis. So VATA Trend Algo is actually at the moment, if you want to use it, then we expect you to have some technical analysis information with you. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, which is okay, let's look at Nasdaq. On Nasdaq, we were supposed to actually take a short trade because the pattern was getting completed in this zone around 10,161. So if we go here and we draw a line, we already have 1061 a line right there. So we were supposed to actually take a short from this level, and since then the market has actually moved on and then fell back down, right? So remember, we are looking at 1 hour time frame here, so this was a very short term opportunity, so we'll be looking at 1 hour on VATA as well. So this was the fall that actually happened. Let's go to the 4 hour, and this was our, not 4 hour, sorry, we should be going to the 1 hour, and this was our signal. Market was actually bearish right there, and we could have actually taken that trade. Now if you wanted, you could have played that on 4 hour as well, because this was showing us a change in the trend, and then there was a signal. You could have stayed in the trade until the color had changed, or based on your or on your own analysis or profit taking strategy. So here we could have made near about these many points, which is from near about 10,000 level to 93. Okay, so near about 598 points we could have actually made on Nasdaq, just by entering at the right level, following our analysis. Okay, so this is how it works, and let's look at some of the currency pairs. On currency pairs, because we already have the previous actually trades running, so we did not post much around here. But if we go to, just to give you an example how they are going to look at, let's look at Euro USD, because that's everybody's favorite. So let's look at Euro USD on daily time frame. This is how it is looking. If you have been following our analysis, we have been short from this region because a W pattern was completed around here. So if you had taken this trade on daily time frame, you would have stayed in the market for some time, and I'm not sure whether you are still holding it, but this hasn't actually reached its profit target, which is going to be approximately here. So if it falls, then you would have made money if you had taken the trade on daily time frame. If you had taken a trade on 4 hour time frame, then this would have been your signal, or this could have been your signal. In either case, you would have taken a very good opportunity. You could have also added to your short positions once the market came to test this zone. Again, here you could have actually played again, so you could have recycled that opportunity again and again, and that's how you would have made approximately from here to here. So far you would have made near about 35 pips or so on Euro USD H4. If you had taken it on 1 hour time frame, this would have been your the best case scenario. So in this case, if let's say you're a day trader, and then you would have made like 11 pips right there, and near about 50 pips right there, depending on your strategy. So it is actually quite useful if you have your own strategy, and if you know exactly what you're doing. If you're following somebody's analysis, then it actually makes more sense. If you are good in technical analysis on your own, then it is going to do wonders for you. So this is it for this week, and we'll see in the next video. Hopefully this was able to show you the power of VATA Trend Algo indicator. We are going to improve a lot in terms of accuracy, and we are going to build new features. A lot of things are coming in there. Before we actually move on, we need to look at one more thing, because most of the traders have been asking about mobile notification. So you can actually achieve that, because if you come to VATA Trend Shift, click on this. VATA Trend allows alerts, so you can switch on the alerts. If it is true, then you will get alerts. Ideally this should be true as well, and ideally this should be true, because if you do not have alerts message, then it will not tell you what currency pair it has got an alert on. If you want sound, you can set that to true. If you want mobile mobile alerts, then you can switch this to true and press OK. Once you have done that, you should go and download mobile application for MT4 on your Android or iOS platform. These are available for free, and once you have opened those applications in your mobile phone, you could go to their settings, and you could have copied meta codes ID. Once you copy this, come to your MT4 on which the VATA Trend is running, go to tools, click on options, and in here under notifications, click on enable push notification, and the code that you copied from your mobile app, that needs to be copied into this. Once you have copied that, press test, and you will automatically receive a notification on your mobile. Once you have done that, leave the VATA Trend Algo running, and make sure that it is still set to notify as true. Now that's it. Whenever there will be a notification on that time frame, it will send a notification to you saying that there is an opportunity. You can come back to your desk, you can come back to your chart and make use of that opportunity right there. Hopefully you found this useful. If you did, hit the like button, and in the comment section let us know what kind of features that you would like to have in VATA Trend Algo indicator. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Find and follow us on these social media channels.